2019 is almost over. Welcome back to the channel,
Mr. Godikar.
welcome back to the channel, folks. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna talk about photography. Look, I've got the table pulled out, and welcome Gyro Waves. How's it going, folks?
For the guys who just joined in on a live session, we're gonna talk about like freelancing photography, and you know how like Carvin has his own production house. I do a little bit of freelance on the side.
Welcome to Gyro Waves, guys. Today we're talking about.
So you want to become a freelancer? Am I a freelancer? Yes, I am. Okay, now this is where I start the official podcast.
Why am I up at 3 o'clock in the morning? Guys, a question that I get asked all the time is, how's it going, fellas? Today I'm going to show you how you can shoot a professional product photo shoot with your mobile phone.
Dude, thanks a lot for coming online, man. I mean,
Ladies and gentlemen, the day we've all been dreading has finally arrived. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Gyro Waves. I am going to talk about the worst freelance job that I have ever had.
dude, first of all, thanks a lot for even considering jumping on this call. I know that you're such a busy guy.
Hello. Welcome to the Gyro Waves podcast.
Dude, welcome to my podcast.
Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we're going to talk about animation. Welcome back, folks. Today we're going to talk about a problem that most of y'all did not know that existed with Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on part 2 of learning to animate.
Thanks a lot for stepping in and sitting in with me and having a conversation.
You ready?
Yes. Oh, you're doing an intro already.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Instagram ads. So I recently got a comment on one of my Instagram posts. Today we're going to talk about the secret.
Ravin David Ratnam. You would never expect somebody to know another Olympian, right? This is like, so Lasit Fernando.
Mr. Lahru,
Welcome to the Gyro Waves podcast.
My boss said that when there are thumbnails with open mouths, it just does better on YouTube. So, anyway, what have I got to lose?
Welcome to the channel.
Do it with a lot more excitement.
Today we're debating about which is better, the Sony A7iii or the A7R3. Why would you want to just present something like this when you can totally present it in 3D space? Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we're going to talk about using filters for your images. Welcome to Gyro Waves, fellas. Today we are going to talk about essential tools. If you're running a business, photography, video and animation are vital components. My name is Lahiru and I'm here to show you that you don't need expensive camera to take amazing pictures. How's it going, fellas? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about what's in my camera bag. Welcome back to the channel, fellas. Today we're talking about ring lights and why you should not buy them. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the basics of photography. Welcome back to Gyro Waves, fellas. Today we're going to learn how you can make your text layers glow in After Effects. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about color grading. For all of you that watched my videos and spent a few minutes staring at my face over this year, I just want to say a huge thank you. I'm grateful, and I hope everyone has a happy new year. At least, you know, the last day of 2020. It's raining. At least the last day of 2020 could be a happy, joyous day. And you know, see you guys in 2021. Almost forgot. Like and subscribe.